Hey guys, welcome to Data Genius. Today we will solve 5 most important interview question if you are preparing for SQL interview in companies like TCS, Infosys, WIPRO. Okay, these companies ask related question to this concept only. So please be with me till the end. Okay, and the end of the video. If you are first time visitor to our channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So without further delay, let's jump to the questions. Okay, I'll share this DDL command to the comment section in the description box. So if you wanna try, please make sure you try first before watching the video. Okay, and if you have any other approach, then please do let me in the comment section. Okay, comment your solution so that I can see and I can learn from you as well. Okay, so let's start. First, uh, let's see the question. Okay, what is the all 5 question? First one is question 1 is write a query to find the employees whose name ends with N or T. So we have to find this one. For example, my name is Amit. So Amit is AMIT. So T. In output, Amit will be the answer. And if someone name ends with N, for example, Naveen. So name is starting from N. Okay. So Amit and Naveen will be the answer. Okay. What things we need to take in mind while solving this question? We will see in a bit. Second question is write a SQL query to find employee who born before 1997. Okay. Third question is write a SQL query to find the third highest salary. This is the most important question. Okay. And question 4 actually I have twisted this question. Okay, so let's read the question and try to understand. Write a SQL query to update the salary of the employees. If salary greater than 57,000, then increment by 8%. If salary is between 50,000 to 57,000, then increment by 10%. And if salary is less than 50,000, then increment by 12%. And then find the maximum and minimum of the updated salary. Okay, that means after the increment we have to find the maximum and minimum of the salary, right? Fifth question is calculate the percentage of employee out of the total employee whose salary greater than average salary of all the employee. Understood? I hope you understand the question. Okay, so let's run the DDL command. Now I'll just copy this one and so 25 row is affected. Okay, so I'll copy, I'll cut and I'll paste here in first question. Okay, fine. Sorry, we have to cut here so that this is now it is fine. So what we have to do is write a SQL query to find the employee whose name ends with N or T. Okay, so here see we can solve one question in a multiple way. Okay, so for this question there are two approach. First one I think you have idea, that is using like keyword. Okay, but I'll not solve using that, I'll solve with another approach. So I need to find the employee name only. Okay, so I'll not keep a star here, I'll only keep the name. And what I'll do is we have to find the last character, right? So how we can find last character? Using right keyword. Right of what? Name. Okay, how many character? 1 as last character. Okay, let's see run. Basically what is the output? See, we have the output, right? We have the output T A H N N. Now what we have to do is we have to just filter out based on the condition like N or T. So what we can do is we will write subquery or CTE. Hope you have idea about CTE. If you don't know CTE, please comment down. I'll make a separate video on this one. Okay, so I'll write subquery for this one. Okay, so select name comma last character from this one. Okay, so here is giving a is here is alias, where last character equal to t or last character is equal to n. That is the actual condition. So let's run and see this one. Okay, if you do not want to keep last character, we can directly remove. See, so all these employ the last character ends with either n or t, but I'll request you to please use the like keyword, okay, and comment down in the comment section. So this is first approach, and second approach will be using like keyword. Okay, so let's solve the second question. Okay, so second question, what it says, write a SQL query to find the employee who born before 1997. Okay, so let's copy this one, select a star from employee detail. Okay, so let's run. So what we have to find is date of birth, right? Date of birth, we have date of birth section, but in the date of birth we have to find the year. So how we can find year? Using date part function. Okay, so date part year, what we are separating is year from DOB. Okay, as I would say born year, right? Let's run and see what is the output. See, so Amit is born in 1990, Priya is born in 1991, Rajesh is born in 1992, likewise, right? But what we have to do is we have to filter based on, like, we have to find out the employee who born before 1997. So previously I solved using subquery, but now I'll solve using CTE. So with CTE as, okay, I'll explain this one, don't worry. A star from CTE where born year before 1997, that means less than 1997, right? So let's run, see what is the answer. Incorrect, born year. Select a star from CTC. First let's run this one. Okay, let's see what is the output. See, born year is coming. Okay, so where actually the spelling is wrong. Okay, so let's run this one. See, so these employee born before 1997. So I need only name, so I'll write only name. Okay, so I want only name, comma, born year, we could say that born year. So let's run. Okay, so this is the born year, like in which year this Amit born, Priya born in 1991. Now I'll explain what is this CTE is. Okay, basically CTE stands for common table expression. That means we create one temporary table. Okay, so this will not store anywhere in the file or anywhere in the database, but it will be there only for this question. Okay, if we are creating for another question, then what will happen? We have to create one another CTE. So how we write CTE is, this is the command, like with CTE as, we can write CTE with anything, like whatever is the, whatever word you want to say. For example, I want to say is born year. Okay, so but I'll have to change here is born year. Okay, so you have to make sure what you are writing here, like what is the table name, that will be from here. That will be you have to mention here only. Okay, so this is basically definition of CTE. So second question is completed. Let's move towards third question. Okay, so select a star from employee detail, right? Employee detail. See, here is if we like order by the salary, okay, order by salary descending, let's see. Here is, see, there are two employee who have equal salary. Like Sanjay is having 65,000, Nina is having 65,000, Lata is having 63,000. So what should be the third highest salary? The third highest salary should be 63,000. Okay. So how we can fetch this one? We can use one advanced SQL function, that is dense rank. I hope you have idea. Okay, if you don't know, do let me in the comment section. I'll prepare one separate video. Okay, I'll explain rank, dense rank, row number in that video. So dense rank over order by salary descending, right, as RNK I'll write. So I'll explain this one, what is this. Okay, see, so what happened is, this is the basically definition, like dense rank. Okay, we have, this should be the fixed keyword over every time we have to write over, and order by salary, like in which way, like we want what we want, salary want, like in which way, like ascending or descending. So we want descending, so we have to write descending. But if you do not write descending, then by default this should be ascending. Okay, so we can here you will use subquery. Okay, so select name salary comma RNK from this table, right, this table. I'll write this as a. You can write anything. This is basically the alias we have to give. This is mandatory. Okay, so here is find Lata. Okay, so where RNK is equal to 3, right? See, Lata. So Lata is having third highest salary. Fine. Let's move toward fourth question. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like the video and comment down if you have any doubt. Okay, let's move towards fourth question. Okay, so select a star from employee detail. Let's run this one. So what we have to find is, what is the basically requirement of this question is, based on salary, if salary is greater than 50,000, we have to increment the salary by 8%. Okay, if salary is between 50 to 57,000, we have to increment by 10%, and if less than 50,000, we have to increment by 12%, and then at the last we have to find maximum and minimum of the updated salary. Okay, so how we can achieve this? Okay, I hope you are understanding. This is basically kind of if and else statement. So how we can write if and else statement in SQL? Using case when statement, right? So case when salary greater than 50,000. Okay, then what we want? We want salary to increment by 8%. So 8% of 1 is 1.08, right? So we'll multiply the salary with 1.08, right? So when now is salary between 50,000 and 57,000, then what we want? We want salary to increment by 10%. That means 1.10, right? You can write 1.1, no problem. And when salary less than 50,000, then increment the salary by 12%. So salary into 1.12, right? And as incremented salary, I'll write updated salary, right? Updated salary. Okay, so let's run and see what is the output. Later we will see. So this is Amit. His salary is between 50 to 57,000. So his salary incremented by 1.10. So that means 10% of 50,000 in 5,000. So updated salary is 50,000 plus 5,000. It is 55. And all the salary, all are working fine. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the maximum salary. Okay, maximum and minimum of the updated salary. So I'll write here is CTE. Okay, so with with let's see, the name is incremented salary. Okay, incremented salary as. This is mentioning as is mandatory because it, or else it will throw an error. Select start from incremented salary. Okay, let's run. This will not affect anything. Okay, 100% same code will be done. Now what we have to do is we have to find max. Okay, max of what? Max of updated salary, right? Max of updated salary, comma, mean of what? Mean of updated salary. So let's run. See, maximum salary is 72,360 and minimum salary is 50,400. You can also check from here. Here is we can order by, like order by. Okay, order by updated salary. If you order by updated salary, so this will give the minimum salary because I am not mentioning ascending or descending, so by default it will descending. See, the minimum salary is 50,400. Okay, if we write here the descending, then this will give the descending salary. The maximum salary is 70,360. But you have to make sure that you have to remember, like order by does not support when you run inside a city. So we have to be careful while using the order by. So this is the updated salary. I hope this is fine. So let's move towards the last question of this video. Okay, so let's select a star from employee detail. Okay, let's run. Now understand the question, what this question talks about, what this question is saying. Like we have to calculate the percentage of the employee out of the total employee whose salary greater than the average salary of all the employee. What does it means? It means we have to first, what we have to do is first we have to find out the total employee. Okay, so how many total employee are there? Okay, total is 25, right? Second, we have to find out the count total like number of the employee whose salary greater than the average salary of the employee, right? For example, average salary is 34. Okay, so we have to find out the number of employee whose salary greater than 34. So how we can achieve, look, okay, how we can achieve this one, and what we have to do is, let's see. First we have to find out the total count. Okay, so how can we do this? Like count a star, okay, from employee details. Okay, so here this will be the count of total employee. Okay, total employee. See, total is 25. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the count of like where salary is greater than 25. Okay, so what we have to do is select first, let's see how we can find out the average. So select average of salary, right, as average salary from employee detail. Okay, so this is average, right? Average is 55,560. Okay, now third, we have to find out the count of the employee whose salary greater than 55,560. So how we can achieve? So count of, select a star from employee detail. Okay, employee detail where salary greater than this average salary. Okay, so you can use CTE or you can use subquery. So I'll write subquery here. Okay, so let's see what is the output. See, total there are 11 people. Okay, there are 11 employee whose salary is greater than the average salary. Let's run first these two. Let's see. So totally we have is 25. Okay, and there are 11 employee whose salary greater than average. So what we have to do is, now we have to find out like 11 by 25 is how much percent, and we want percent, so we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so what would be the answer? Like 100 by 25 is 4, so 44%. Okay, 44% should be the answer. So how we can achieve this? So simple, we have to divide it. How we can do is, let's see, select, okay, select count like this one. So I'll copy this one, count divided by, sorry, we have to count this one. I'm talking about this one, okay, because I'll have to use this filter, okay, divided by this one, total, okay. I'll remove total employee. I'll use bracket here, that would be more beneficial. From what? From employee detail, okay, where I have to use this table, this syntax, okay, is 0. Why 0 is coming? Because integer by integer is 0. So to avoid this, we have to multiply with 100, okay. Let's see, 44 is coming, fine. If you have any small concern, please reach out to me, okay. You can follow me on LinkedIn, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll paste the link in the description. Or if you have any other doubt, if you have any other approach, do let me in the comment section, okay. I'll definitely look into this. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. We will meet you soon.